Hi everybody, this is Krista with Art Graphic Studio. Today I'm going to show you how to upload and assemble a Halloween treat box to use on your cutting machine. So let's get started. If you have not already downloaded your SVG file, you can go to my Etsy shop by going to etsy.com and searching for Art Graphic Studio. Then scroll or search for the SVG you're looking for. If you are a Cricut Design Space user, you may be able to access my free designs. For more information, see my note at the end of this video. Open the Cricut Design Space and upload the image that you want to create. Go to Upload and then Browse and find your file. And find the SVG file. Here it is. Now let's upload it. Highlight it and add to canvas. Before you ungroup this, you will see it comes in grouped. Don't want to ungroup it yet. You want to resize it. And so you will create a 4x3 box because you want this center section to be 4x3. And this is the way you resize it. So put it approximately where you want it and then increase your design till that center box is 4x3 or thereabouts. You see I've gotten it a little bit too big, so we're going to reduce that just a little bit. And you keep doing this until you get it about right. A little bit more maybe. It can be a little tedious, but just keep after it and you'll get it. Okay, that looks pretty good right there. So we don't need this anymore. We'll just delete that. Now you can ungroup it. And you'll see that the box and the score lines are all still grouped. So let's ungroup that box. Now the score line should be here and here. So let's just click on that area and they come up. I moved it a little bit. I'm going to move it back. And you can tell they're score lines because the box turns orange or red in many cases. So change that to score and then attach the box and the score lines. Now you're ready to make it. So go up to Make It. And then you can just start making. I'm going to show you on the box though. When you get ready to make it, continue, you will see that it will tell you that you will need, medium cardstock, you will need the scoring wheel first. Once you've done your scoring, then you'll load the fine point blade and finish cutting out the rest of the designs on the pages. Here's the layout for the project. Now let's get started putting it together. Glue the front of the ghost onto the background so that the yellow shines through. There you go. We'll let that dry for a minute. Now you want to put the box together. And you can see that the box has score lines, so you want to go ahead and fold the score lines. Now you want to glue your box together. And that's an easy job. You just put your glue along the outsides of these flaps and glue them to the sides, get them nice and even. And then I like to put a paper clip on them for a few minutes while they glue. So let's go ahead and do that. Of course, you can make this box a little smaller if you'd like to, just by adjusting it on the screen. The next thing you want to do is you want to glue your handle on. And here again, just get it about in the middle. And I'd like to put another paper clip on there to hold that while it dries. And we're going to let that dry for a few minutes and then come back to it. Now let's glue the front of our boo to the back of the boo. That'll be dry in just a minute. Let's take our clips off. And you can adorn this any way you want to. You can resize the ghost or put it on however you like. This is what I will typically do. Something like that. So I'm going to glue this to here. And then I will glue this boo onto the side. And we'll let that dry for a few minutes, but you can put any other decorations on it that you'd like to. So here's what it might look like after you're done. Of course, I've added some things to it. I finished the lettering and added some raffia to the handle, added the red and the yellow to the ghost. Continue watching to find out how to access some free designs on Cricut Design Space. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and notification bell to stay informed about more exciting projects. I appreciate you watching my video, and I will see you next time. If you're a Cricut user, you can access some of my free designs simply by opening the Cricut Design Space, and in the home screen, type in my shop name, Art Graphic Studio, and search. When this next screen comes up, scroll to the bottom and click on my profile. This will bring up my profile page, and all of my shared projects will be listed. Just a note though, if you're not a Cricut Access member, Cricut may want to charge you for any of their components that were used in the original design.